Trans-Pacific Journey Fishing Corporation.
Yes, that's a fishing company.
So my question is, particularly you mentioned that Irma Fishing is the biggest galunggong importer, supposedly.
Fishing company.
Galunggong Fishing Company.
Yeah.
But I have some information that Trans-Pacific Journey Fishing Corporation was the biggest importer for that round. Is that correct?
Yes, because they are the biggest fishing company in terms of total volume of fish landed, not only galunggong. Kasi ang Trans-Pacific Journey is tuna and galunggong eh. Ang Irma is only galunggong. Mas maliit yung catch nila eh.
So that would explain why they got the biggest allocation. Is that correct?
It's not about galunggong. It's not species specific. It's about total volume of seafoods landed.
All right. Can you state for the record who are the owners of this TPJ?
The family of the Tiangcos. Mr. Chair.
Congressman Toby Tiangco.
Their family kasi ang kumpanya na yan was owned by their parents.
Do you not find any conflict of interest, Mr. Secretary, that the Tiangcos are importing the largest fishing agalunggong for this round?
Well, if you want me to really comment on that, I think they deserve what they are getting because they are the pinakamalaki nila land talaga eh. This is very scientific and everything, so wala akong nakikitang issue.
Well, I'm stating it for the record because Congressman Tiangco is actually a member of the Aquaculture and Fisheries Committee in the last Congress. Hindi ba? So you did not make conflicts of interest checks relating to this?
Sa akin, I've been working with the industry for so long. Yung kumpanya nila is, their family has been in fishing for more than 60 years. So, it is performance-based, Mr. Chair. So, technically, kung sino pinakamaraming land, recorded ng PFDA yan, nagbabawal ng buwis yan, so they should get the biggest allocation.